just sitting in the catering room, minding my own business. And now, granted, I've got my two twin daughters. They're 2 years old, and they are the light of my life. So much fun. I love their mom. And you know what? It's just a celebration if I shower. I mean, seriously. So, I don't know how many moms we have out there. So, like when I actually get to brush my teeth and put on deodorant, it's a celebration, truthfully. Because I literally always say I was a sharp person once, and then I became a mother. And I lost my mind. I really did. And so it's a miracle. I roll out of the bunk on the bus, I throw my baseball hat on, and I'm just a mom. Pretty much I'm still a mom now, but I'm just a mom with makeup. And so I pretty much do my hair, my makeup, and right before I go on stage. So all that to say, I'm just sitting in catering, minding my own business. And this emergency medical technician dude was in there because I guess we had to have one at the concert in case there was something that was an emergency. And so he had some CDs, and he had Jeremy's, and Jeremy signed the CD, and then he had mine, and Jeremy said, "Oh, Natalie, he's got your CD." And the guy looked at my CD, he looked at me, and I said, "Oh, what? I don't look just like my pictures? I mean, come on." And he said, "I'm just so not as in love anymore." Let me tell you something. I've got an ugly side. And it came out just about then. I'm just kidding. But what I did say is I told that story last night when I came on stage because I knew he was in the audience and I wanted him to feel really, really bad. And so I told the story, and then I said, "But now that my hair and makeup's done and I am all that, do not come looking for me to take a picture with me because it's so not going to happen." Aren't you just glad to know there's no such thing as perfect people? There just isn't. In my life, and I am so grateful to know that you can just take off the mask, quit the pretending, and if you're here tonight and you're kind of wearing a mask and you're working really hard to be something you're not, just go ahead and take that mask off and join the rest of us imperfect people in need of a perfect God, because we have a perfect God. And love us under the makeup and all. So I don't know who you are tonight, and I don't know your story, but I know the one who is writing your story. Tap into the perfect God tonight, because I promise He has a peace that the Bible says will pass.